This video is sponsored by Scalewriters. Scalewriters is an online hobby shop that has all kinds of awesome models and supplies. Head on over to scalewriters.com to find some unique items for your hobby needs. Also, there is a coupon code for 10% off of all kinds of orders. So not first time orders, you can reuse this coupon code over and over again. Coupon code is N.Y.S modeling for 10% off your order. Thank you, Scalewriters, for sponsoring this video. And what's guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a package from one of my sponsors, Scalewriters. Hector has sent me a package. Now I have no idea what is in here. He said he was going to send me a package, and I said okay, I'll be looking forward to it. And I have no idea what is in it, so we're gonna find out what it is in it because he just sent me some stuff, and yeah, so we're gonna find out and see what we got. So we're gonna go ahead and crack it open right here in camera because it's literally a surprise. So let's go ahead, open it up, and what's that? That's kind of cool. Oh, it's a Iwashima sticker. That's wicked. No, that's wicked cool. All right, so see what we got. Oh my goodness! Are you kidding me, Edgar? Okay, he sent me some goodies here. I'm assuming that's before this car right here. Oh, wow. Edgar, you spoiled me because this is... Oh, this is a wicked cool kit. This is a really neat kit. Oh man, that is a BMW race car. This is insane. Okay, so let's... I'm assuming these are... So in this package, we got some extra goodies here. And... this is insane. This is really cool. So let's go ahead and pull some of these parts out. Look at that. We got a sticker here. Look at that. That's cool. That's pretty cool. Put that somewhere. Alright, so... Let's bring you guys in so my camera can actually focus. There we go. So we got some pins here. That's actually really insanely. That's gonna make it really detailed. So I'm assuming these parts are gonna detail up this Beamer. We got some brake calipers here from Go for Racing. Really nice. And oh wow, look at this. This is insanely cool. Is that? Wow. This is wicked cool. Okay, I did not know this stuff even exists. This is insanely cool. You got the wires. Oh wow, we're gonna be plumbing the living heck out of this race car. Yeah, this stuff I believe Ecker sent me, but this is for the race car. And yeah, this is gonna really okay, so this is the detail set. Yeah, this is for okay. Yeah, we're gonna go ham on this race car. So this is the actual photo etch set for this car. Seat belts, what's it, carbon fiber gauge classic decals. Wow. Oh, we got a window net there. Okay, Ecker, I cannot thank you enough. Yeah, seat belts. Okay, yeah. This is a detail set for this kit. This is really cool. Oh, I'm actually looking really forward to this. I can't wait for this build. We got some. Oh, we got plumbing. We got brakes. And we got some extra pins. I think these are switches. Yeah, they're switches for the... Oh my gosh. So we got some stickers. So this one I showed you before. Of course, we got in our Scalewriter sticker. Wicked cool. And then this is really cool. I went ahead and printed some stickers, and I got my very own N.Y.S modeling sticker. So if you guys purchase something from scalewriters.com, you will be getting a very exclusive N.Y.S modeling sticker. I bought these, I got them printed out, and I sent them straight to Ecker, and I got 1,000 of these for him. So he has less than 1,000 by now. I'm sure he has by 800 if that left. So if you want one of these stickers, you are going to have to place an order from scalewriters.com, and you'll be getting one of these bad boys for free. So I'm really glad these came in, and this is really high quality. I've never seen these. This is the colors are really insane. So yeah, so you'll be getting my special logo for a sticker if you order something from skillwriters.com. But Edgar, I cannot thank you enough, man. Oh, this is definitely getting built this year. This is insanely built. I mean, this is. I just can't. I've been wanting to do one of these race cars for a long time, but he has literally sent me basically all of the detailing parts to do this car in. Even the aftermarket photo edge set for this. This is, oh man, this is gonna be a really crazy build. So we're definitely gonna be doing this probably towards the summertime. I really can't wait for this build. So really cool. But alright guys, that's it. Edgar, I cannot thank you enough, like I mentioned. For those who are wondering, there is a coupon code N.Y.S modeling down below. There's a link down below to his website, skillwriters.com. Make sure you do use coupon code NYS modeling to get 10% off your order. I don't get any promotion for that. It just helps you guys save a little bit of cash. So yes, use that promo code NYS modeling to get 10% off your order. And yeah, like I said, you will be getting one of these exclusive stickers of my logo. So you're definitely going to want one of these. These are really good size. I'm really happy with the size. So they can fit anywhere. So they're not too big. I don't want them too big because I know some people don't like super big stickers, but this is a really good size. So I'm happy how that size is. So really cool. But alright guys, that's it for this video. Edgar, like I mentioned, I cannot thank you enough, man, and we're definitely gonna be getting this built. This is gonna be definitely a whole new build series, probably this summertime. Alright, this is really cool. But alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and until my next video, we'll catch you guys next time.